This is the Adir 80, a brand new boat to Southampton Boat Show, represented here by Wolf Rock. So this is powered by a Suzuki 350 duoprop. Let's check out the boat and see what it's all about. Immediately, I think of the catamaran type style craft. This is certainly a day boat style design, but it actually has a 4-berth setup in this boat. So nice upholstery here. You'll notice the upholstery on this is heat welded rather than stitched. The seating here folds away so that you maintain your deck space here, which is a really nice feature. You have this big sun pad forwards. Plenty of space here. 3 or 4 people could be on this area here. Up on the console, you have a Garmin multifunctional display, quite a jazzy carbon fiber steering wheel, and then this big helm box here as well. Stepping down below, you have this big V-berth bed here, and then underneath these poppers, you have all your windows through here to let lots of natural light through. So that is the Adir 80, priced here at Wolf Rock for 126,000.